Hey traders, how you doing? It's Trader Dara. So this is gonna be the second video in the playlist of trading platform, right? Know your trading platform. This is gonna be the second video. Now, in this video, we'll be talking about MetaTrader, right? So in the previous one, we talked about Trading View, right? The desktop Trading View. So if you haven't watched it, see the link, go watch it. It's just up there. Go watch it. So now we're going to discuss about MetaTrader, and this is a very quick recap on how to get MetaTrader in case you don't have MetaTrader already, right? Just search for MetaTrader 5, right? So in case you're using a MetaTrader, let's say you get a broker and the broker says MetaTrader 4, just download MetaTrader 4. If it's MetaTrader 5, download MetaTrader 5. In this case scenario, we're using MetaTrader 5 because that is the latest MetaTrader, right? I have a Mac OS, so I'll download for a Mac OS. If you use a Windows, download for a Windows, right? So that's it, and it gets downloaded. But anyways, I already have it, so I won't bother downloading it. And with that, let's get into the video. Alright, so once you have it installed, right, just follow the prompts, agree to everything they tell you, you'll be able to install it, right? It's not that hard. This is what you'll see once you come in, right? So the very first thing you want to do, right, this is just a MetaQuotes demo, right? For you to get something like this, just come on file, come to open accounts, right? Open accounts. So on open accounts, you see just this. I use them next, and I would just say open a demo account, right? Let's say if you don't have a demo account, or if you have a real account, open a real account. Just open a real account. But MetaTrader don't offer you real accounts, so you won't be able to open a real account with them. But anyways, yeah, was how I created this demo, right? I just put my name, my second name, my email, my phone number, use hedge, the demo size, the account size I want, the leverage. I agreed, and I created this particular demo account. You can see right here. So currently in the world of trading, we traders no longer analyze with MetaTrader, right? We use Trading View. This is what we use now for analysis. So all we use MetaTrader for is just to execute our trades, right? So today's market close, so I won't be able to execute any trades and show you guys how executing of trades works, right? Because this is the only time I'll be free to record a video. That's why I'm doing it today, right? So I think this has opened. Okay, so let's just go over it, right? Let's just go over the important things you'll be needing. Right, the very first thing you get to see is your file. So on your file, you can create the new charts. Let's say I want to have a new chart with different pair, right? So I tap on file, come to new charts, tap on GBP USD, and I wait. I get to see it has refreshed. I now have like two different windows displaying GU, right? So if I want to revert to Euro USD, just down here I'll tap on it and I'll come back to Euro USD, and I can see Euro USD once again, right? That's how to get multiple different assets or currency pairs on your MetaTrader 5. That's the very first thing you should know how to do. Then the second one is profiles, right? So let's say I want to save this current style. I can just use save or save as to save that, and that's also available here. But if I want to save an image, let's say I take a trade and I want to save that image, right? For like some people who would go and be screenshotting, you can just use this and you save your current entry on MetaTrader 5, right? So you can see active workspace. So active workspace is saying the whole MetaTrader, right? But active chart is telling us to just save only the chart, right? Then active chart as is more like you going to edit the size. Trading view. I was trying to open this to show you guys what trading view looks like. So let's just see it real quick. Okay, so this is what trading view looks like. This is where we do our analysis, and on, let me close this. Why here we take our trades, right? So back to what I was telling you guys. This right here is if you want to state in pixels how much of the screen size you want it to screenshot, right? And once that is done, you have open data folder. So when you want to include expert advisors like EAs, you use this. Don't worry, if you want to do that, there'll be videos you can watch online for more information. You can print out your setup. If you want to open an account, this is something very important, right? Let's say you want to open an account, log into an account, a new account you have not logged into, and maybe create an account on here. Just tap open an account, and then all you do is search the broker you're using. So let's say it's Xness, right? That's one of the very popular one for Africans, Xness. You just put it, search it, then Xness comes out. You select the type of Xness you're using, because there's Xness UK, there's Xness VG, there's Xness CY. So I think for we in Nigeria, we just use this one. You just tap on Xness CY, and then if you want to create a demo account, just Xness don't allow you to create a demo. You have to go on their website to create a demo. As you can see, this is not highlighted, right? So it means you cannot. It's not white. It's more like gray. So it means it's marked off. You can't create a demo. Yeah. If you want to create a demo account, right? You have to go on Xness website and create the demo account, right? So once you do that, you get to have your demo created, and you can play around and see what things looks like, right? So I think that's all the major things. This is to log into a demo. If you have an account, demo or live account, you can log into it here, and you can exit from the platform with this. Now for view, right, your toolbars, right? Let's say you want to see your toolbars, the standard, the lines, time frame, right? That is all of this. This drawing tools, the time frame, and all the rest. Yeah. So if you don't want to see any of them, you can just remove it, and you see you don't get to see any of them. If you want to bring them back, just once again you follow through and you get them back, right? And for the next one, the status bar. The status bar is referring to this area down here, right? So if I tap on it, I get to see the status, right? So if I don't want to see the status bar, I press it, and then I can see status bar. Now for this guy down here, where is that charts bar? Okay, that's this charts bar. I love this thing that I'm gonna use them. For symbols, let's say you want to add more pairs to your chart, right? You can just click on here and type the name of the symbol. Let's say it is what is here that's on here? Okay, odd USD, right? So let's say it's odd USD. Okay, odd USD is there. Let's use odd card. So let's say we want to include odd card, right? We can just put that in there, and now we have odd card. Right, and we can tap on it. If you double tap, it will show you the order, right? We don't want to place an order, so we'll just drag it to the charts, and then we get to have odd card on the chart, right? Very, very easy, very, very easy. Now the next thing we have here is the navigator. So this navigator, right, you can get to see all the accounts you have here, because I have only one account, this MT5 demo. That's just the only account showing here. Then if I want to have any subscriptions, it will show indicators, right? There are a couple of this volume indicator. If there's any script or robot running, you can also see it here. If you have an expert advisor, that is a trading robot, this is the place where you put it as well, or you get access to it. Now this big menu you're seeing down here is our balance, our equity, and our free margin, right? We get to see as price. Let's say we are going in profit, we get to see our balance increasing, and our equity increasing. As we're going in loss, we get to see our equity reducing. Our balance will just stay the way it is. If depending on the account type what you are using, right? If you're using a raw spread account or ECN or whatever account type, your balance will just stay as it is or also reduce, right? So after you take the margin up for the trade which you're taking. Now, exposure, this is just to tell you how the performance of your trades over time. History, you get to see all the trades you've taken once you start taking trades. This is for news, in case you want to view news. This is your mails from your broker. This is your calendar. This for alerts in case you want to place any alerts with MC4. Sorry, with MC5. These articles, the trading articles being released. These code base. This is for experts, and here's your journal. This keeps tracks of every performance. But eventually you log in and you want to see whether it's logged in successfully or you have an error. You can come here and see previous successful authorization performed, and then scanning for network points. And where is the one that confirms that you've been signed in? Anyway, I don't recall. Whenever you come in here, you hear a sound like a tongue sound. I think that shows your network is up and running and everything is good, right? Okay, so with that, for you to execute trades, right? So let's go to what is important for us, just to execute trades. For you to execute trades, just tap on it, then right click. You'll see new order, right? Once you tap on new order, this menu bar will appear, this model menu, right? So once this menu appear, for Euro USD, all you just need to do is to set your lot size here. Put your lot size in this volume. For your stop loss, put your stop loss here. Take profit, put it here. And then you can set whether it's instant or pending. If it's pending, you set it. Then you have the option to put buy limit or sell limit, depending on what you're using, right? Then you also have the option to put entry price. Once you do that, please trade. And that is all where every interaction I have with MC5 ends. I don't do anything else with MC5 apart from execute my trades. Okay guys, so we'll come to the end of this video. You can play around with it, go online, watch more videos if you want to do anything extra. Have a wonderful one, boys and girls.